Okay, I don't think this is all gonna fit in here. What is that? Oh my god. All right, I tried to load it as much as I could so that things weren't falling out. So it's probably gonna be a couple parts. So we have this bracelet that says hope on it. It's like it's a greenish color. And that is really pretty. I like that. We have another bracelet that says hope on it. No. A bangle. I won't wear that just because it's so big. That's cool. Okay, it's a watch on this really pretty gold chain. I would for sure wear that. This is a nice watch. It's silver and gold. It is just too big. It's too big for me. Some beads. It's like on a wire. It's not bad. I don't know. I have a lot like that. That's cute. That is cool. Do you see that? I don't know if the camera is picking it up. It's like super iridescent. It's pretty. It's one of those like screw-on earrings though. Clip-on? I don't know. Oh, we'll see if there's a match, but I'm not gonna keep that. A smiley face ring. Doesn't fit anyways. I wouldn't wear that. So we got a little baggie. Oh, this is cool. Okay. Is this adjustable? I think. Yeah, it is. Look at that. Look how shiny that is. I feel like I would wear this. I would totally wear that. All right, we have this watch, this glass. Yeah, the glass is pretty broken. It's like chipped right there and it's super scratched. If it weren't for that, I would totally wear that. I would keep that. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna keep it. We have a rhinestone bracelet. I have so many of these, so I'm just gonna give that one away. Holy, that's a hoop. I thought this was a bangle. That is ginormous. No, I could not pull that off. It's really pretty though. It has like some really cool texture. I would not be able to pull that off. Another bangle. Oh man, that was so cool. I just don't know how I feel about it being on all of those beads. Oh wait, it's actually not that bad. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. Did I drop something? I don't know. Wait, yes, I did. It's a clip-on earring. I don't really wear clip-ons, so. Come on, this is stuck. How did that happen? There we go. We have this necklace. I will keep that. These earrings, no shit, would literally go with this. Okay, but, okay, they're like tangled up, but I'm not gonna keep. What in the world? How do you do this? Oh, it's purple. How do you do this? Hold on. It's too big. That is so pretty. That is so cute. Dang it. Oh, I wish that fit me. I'm gonna put this in my keep. I'm gonna figure out how to take off those things because I don't think I can live without that. I'm being dramatic. Is this broken? I think it is. This is broken. It won't clasp. But it's just this stone bracelet. We've got some pearls. I have a ton of pearls, so I'm not going to keep those ones. We have this necklace. I'm not going to keep it. That is so cool. That is so cool. Yeah. Yep. I will keep those. Oh, these are pretty. What? This would go so like cute with that watch. Wow. That's pretty too. Oh, I love that bracelet. That is so cool. This is a funky earring. It is beautiful. I don't think I would wear it though. A bangle, sparkly, just not for me. What? That's cool. What is this? A bottle opener or something? Is it missing something? It's for sure missing something. But I don't care. Okay, I got something like this in one of my last jars. What are you supposed to do with this? Is it like a scarf necklace or something? Is that how it goes? I don't know, but I'm not gonna keep it. We have another clip-on earring. I don't know, some baseball team. Pin. That's adorable. That will be going on my purse. Okay. Oh, it's a mirror! Oh, look at that. It's dirty. Or was that a reflection of my phone? I don't know. That's cool. I'm putting that in my purse ASAP. Okay, so there's gonna have to be obviously more parts because there's a frick ton of shit. Okay? All right, so go to part 2.